Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a 2025 comparison between two popular open source document management systems, Paperless Ngx and Papermerge, to help you decide which one's the better fit for your workflow. So let's get started. Now let's start with the Paperless Ngx. This one's a modern fork of the original Paperless project, rebuilt to be more lightweight, simple, and fast. It's written by Python and powered by Django, which means it runs smoothly even with thousands of documents. And what really sets Paperless Ngx apart is its automation. It uses OCR to scan and read the text inside your uploaded documents automatically. From there, it can classify and tag your files on its own, so you don't have to organize everything manually. If you're someone who loves a clean interface, quick setup, and smart auto sorting, Paperless Inject is definitely appealing. Now, let's talk about Papermerge. It's also a powerful document management system, but it takes a more traditional approach to organization. Instead of relying mainly on tags and automation, Papermerge lets you arrange documents in folders and subfolders, much like you would on your computer's file system. It also supports OCR, so you can search for text inside scan files, but its main strength is in giving you more control and structure. This makes it perfect for users or teams that prefer manual organization or need a familiar hierarchy to navigate large document archives. So, which one should you choose in 2025? If you value automation, simplicity, and efficiency, Paperless NGX is the better choice. It's modern, lightweight, and great for hands-off users. But if you prefer a traditional folder-based system with manual control and familiar file organization style, Papermerge is the way to go. Both tools are excellent, really. It just depends on how you like to manage your digital documents. Alright, so if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!